guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have the wild crystal box for November. Do you want to see what's inside? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so my wild crystal box just arrived and I'm thinking this is November. It's just we're like at the very last few days of November, so I think this is November, but this does come in a mailer bag that I do remove, and this is what is inside. And I love this box because it has the crystals and gems look like around the sides, and I love these boxes when I reuse them and I stack them and you get to see those on there. It looks really cute. So let's get inside and see what we're going to be getting for this month. When you open it up, there's the card right on top, and then there is the very cute tissue paper with their Tamed Wild sticker. And that's what it looks like inside. So here is the whoa. You just look at this artwork and you tell me if you saw what I saw. Look at this. Like what like home, but I don't know what to say about this artistry on this card. I don't know what to say about this one, but there is what it looks like on this card. And yeah, let's get into this one. Looks like it says black, kyanite, and smoky quartz. Not sure, but that is what that's what it says. So let's just see what we have going on. So the first thing that I'm going to pull out, it has this cute little bag and it has their logo, Tamed Wild. And there is a card on here and this says smoky quartz. So I'm so glad that they're now putting the thing on here, because sometimes like I get an item and I'm like, well, what is this? And I have to kind of figure it out. So I do like the fact that it looks like everything in here, well, these two at least have name tags on them. So this says, smoky quartz is excellent for elevating moods, overcoming negativity, emotions, and relieving depression. Smoky quartz relieves stress, fear, jealousy, anger, and other negative emotions by transforming them into positive energy. It is a helpful stone for enhancing and encouraging courage and inner strength. A lot of people probably need smoky quartz in their life. Let me just say that. Okay, so they do give you two of them. And when I read the word smoky, I thought these were going to be like a gray, a dark gray, charcoal, or a blackish color. Nope, they're clear. So I don't know where the smoky comes from, unless they're all like different depending on the actual crystal. But here are the two different smoky quartz. Again, the word smoky to me would make me automatically, my brain goes to like a charcoal color, like a dark gray, but they're not. So there's that. In here, it says green aventurine. Aventurine? This, but it didn't say anything about green, whatever this is, but okay, let's see what's in here. And oh, it's on a, ooh, that is pretty. So it's on a necklace. I normally don't pull necklaces out of these. I normally pull the necklaces out of the boxes. So it's just like on a black corded necklace. And then look how pretty. That is really, really pretty. And this one doesn't say like on the back side what it's for. And on the card, it only has the black kyanite or whatever and the smoky quartz. So I'm not quite sure what's up with this green and aventurine. I don't know. Don't care. But if you guys know what this stone is for, you can let me know down below, because I don't think it says anything on here for this one. But that is very, very pretty. I like that color green. That is really pretty. So we have that. Then we have this guy here in a box, and it looks like there's some moss growing out of this box. And it did make a mess inside here. So I'm just gonna leave it over this so it can continue its mess over here. And oh yeah, there's some greenage going on in there. So this must be the black, whichever. And let me get it out of here. So yeah, this is all green moss that's in here. And this booger. And you know what? I think I've got something that looked very similar to this, and I was like, ooh, what is that? So I think I already got one that looks like this. So I don't know, but I was getting a lot of different crystal boxes, so it might not have been from this particular company, but that is really pretty. So it has like all these different lines to it. It's very unique. Wrapping your hand around the black kyanite is like plunging directly into Gaia. This stone restores life force by dispelling blockages throughout all 7 of the chakras. It's a natural pain reliever, wound healer, and mood stabilizer. Low frequencies and unfavorable variations are quickly repelled from kyanite's ridge surface, and its fan-like shape allows you to literally sweep and swift the energy in the room. Because of its exceptional ability to keep us grounded while exploring higher realms, it's helpful in banishing rituals and visualization sessions. Although kyanite doesn't require regular cleansing, we suggest occasionally returning the stone to the earth for realignment. If you have access to a garden, bury this crystal at the base of a lavender plant during a dark moon. You can also rest within the planter of your favorite houseplant and cover with light layer of soil. So this sweeps the energy. See, I like the depths to it. That looks really neat. So that's what came in this month's box, you guys. So we got this really cool stone. We have this really pretty necklace with this green aventurine, I'm not sure. And then we got the 2 smoky quartz that are clear. They look more like a clear quartz to me, but you know, that's why I'm learning, and I'm glad that it can stay with this on here so I know what's inside. Now, if you guys are interested in getting this, I will have them linked below. And this particular one, they did lower the price point to, this is the Wild Crystal monthly box. It's $16 per month. The shipping is an addition, but they have so many different types of subscription boxes on their site. Plus, you can buy things from their store and get individual items as well. So if you would like to check them out, the link will be down below. You can definitely go and check them out. So that is everything that I have for you guys today. This is what I received in this month's box. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.